is for apple. B is for ball.
In this particular video, I'll show you how you can make such type of videos for children, especially for children who are learning at the preschool level or nursery level. So just go to your Chrome or any browser you have. We need to have a reference of our image so that we can turn it to 3D. So I use Pinterest to check out some cool styles of women so that we can convert them later to a beautiful avatar like what you saw in the video. So I usually search for that term, Chitenge, woman, African woman in Chitenge material, or you can search whatever you like. So that's what I used. So I like this, the one which is above here. So I'll check this out. I like this one. Let's use this one. So I'll click on the three dots to download the image and save it to your phone. So after saving the image, it will show you where to save. So I already have it. So you need to open Grok so that we start the process of generating the AI image. So when you come to Grok, we recommend you in this video to use the edit feature, edit image, because it keeps the image as original as possible. So let's search for the image we just downloaded from Pinterest. So I've checked, okay, this one. So let it upload. Then you have to enter the prompt according to what we are seeing, or you can just say make a baby using this. So I already have the prompt written for you so that we can make the things easier. You can download, check it in the description. So you have to copy the prompt. I have used number 13 on the image generation prompt. So copy the prompt and then paste it, because if you use this, the work will be easier. So go back to Grok and paste in the particular prompt we just copied from the file. So after copying, you just click to generate. So it will generate within less than 15 seconds. So just have to wait to see the results how are they. So there is a little button on the bottom left. You can generate right away, but the size differs with TikTok, so you have to actually expand this one so that it can fit in for TikTok. So I'm using Magic Eraser. So you can use any editing tool, or you can just go in Google and search online resizer image. So I'll use this one, Magic Eraser app. So you have to click below and find the appropriate size for TikTok. So the link will be attached in the description. So you have to use 9 to 16 for TikTok, like I'm using here. So it will take just a while. Yeah, so save the image. Then you have to go back to Grok and click on imagine, so that we create a video. So click on CO and make your photos CO. Then find the image you just enlarged. So we are uploading. So in many cases, you will see that Grok will generate a video instantly after uploading an image. So we have to turn this feature off in the settings. I'll show you later. So I also made the prompts for video generation so that you get started with it. So let's copy the video generation for this particular video so that we see. I'm using the alphabet. So paste in the prompt and then you have to generate it. So it just takes a while, less than 15 seconds, and the results will be done. Like you see here, the results. So to save, just click on the download button there. But keep in mind to tell it to follow the lip syncing exactly as in the audio. So let's try another one for B, letter B now. but keep the following in it as well, the lip syncing feature, to follow the feature. So let's wait for B and see the result.
B is for
And that's how you do
ball.
it. The video generation is done. To turn off auto generation, you need to go in settings and switch off the button there. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful, please consider sharing, subscribing, and liking the video so that you can push the algorithm. See you in the next one.